Okay. Part 2, guys. Some more lightning. Bro, I've never seen yellow lightning. Normally it's purple. Purple or like white. It's never yellow. I guess that's severe because I'm telling you guys, I knew there was a storm here, and I didn't even look at the radar. Hi. There's some lightning. There's lightning out. Do you think Logan will ever be available? Yeah. It's cool. Maybe. I think the storm's going that way though. Yeah. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Yeah.
Logan he went back to school. He's been on spring break.
Oh.
But he's been with his mom.
Yeah, me too.
A lot of times we go to the park in the afternoon before his mom comes to pick him up after school. Because I pick him up at 4 o'clock in the day. Then we go to the park over there at West Hill, so you might see him there.
Okay.
We go there quite a bit.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
Yep. Yeah. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, got this lightning storm. Well, that was a pretty big one. Got some good lightning. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that lightning is awesome looking. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is some cool looking lightning. Why is my camera fuzzy? I know that happens at nighttime. But I'll see you guys in part 3 if there is one. I doubt there's gonna be part 3, but well, I'll make a new storm video soon. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed, and always, peace out.